Hello, welcome to chapter 14 for business math. It's called inventory. We are on lesson 13.3, trade, chain discounts, not trade discounts. So the last two sections were called trade discounts. We're still looking at trade discounts, but now we're looking at kind of a series of discounts. Make sure you are reading through the chapters, look at the lesson. Pay attention to the vocabulary they're using. How are they going through the examples? What formulas are they using? Pay attention to the chapter. Don't just jump over into the worksheets because there is some terminology here, especially in this chapter. I found that if you're not reading through the chapter, you probably will not know what they're talking about. All right, so let's go ahead and read the lesson summary. I'm having some issues talking right now. A chain discount, often called a series trade discount, is a series of trade discounts. Kind of funny, of course. A supplier may offer chain discounts to sell out a discontinued item or to convince customers to place a larger order. Complements may be used to find the net price directly. So we have these two equations right here. Boom. So net price rate equals product of complement of chain discount rates. To find the net price, multiply the net price rate by the list price. So net price equals list price times net price rate. All right. So what this means is it's literally a series of discounts. So you're going to get a discount on the main or the list price. And then once we calculate that discount, we're going to get another discount on the discounted amount. So it's kind of like a double discount, basically. So let's go ahead and do this. We can't use the complements yet because they actually want us to fill this table in. So we need to make sure we kind of do it a little slower on this one. So let's see. We can do it one of two ways. You can use the complements because we did start using the complements on the last section, and that means that you're subtracting from 100%. So 100% minus the discount, and that gives you your complement. Complement means it's the amount you're going to pay as opposed to the amount I get to discount or take off. So it's just kind of a difference in calculations there. But we kind of need the discount anyway. So whether or not we calculate it based on the discount, the percentage, or the complement, we're going to need the discounted amount because they actually want to see that. First discount, second discount. They don't want to just jump straight to the net price. So first discount is literally, and if we look at this first column, this is kind of a nice one to calculate off of. So this $84 is 30% of $288. Sorry, $280. So if I have 280 times 30%, I get $84. And then the 196 is 84 minus or taken away from the $280. So it's just what is my first net price. And then the second one, we're going to calculate this one. We have 15%. So it's our second discount. And we're going to calculate that on this one. So we're going to go 196 times 15%, and that's $29.40. So we get to take off another $29.40. So we're going to subtract these two, and that's going to give us our final net price of $166.60. So you're calculating it twice. You're going to multiply this list price by the first percentage, and that'll give you your first discount. And then subtract the discount from the list price to find your first net price. And then you're going to multiply that again by your second discount to find your second discount amount, and subtract that one more time here to find your final. So we just have to do it twice on this one. We'll start using this formula here with the product of complements of a chain discount rate down below here in the next table. This one, they want you to kind of go a little bit slower. All right, so I'm going to let you guys finish that table off. Okay, so just remember chain discounts or series discounts, it's just more than one discount. That's all it means. You're getting multiple discounts. All right, so find the net price rate and the net price for each of these items. I'm going to do number 5. Let's see, am I going to do number 5? Yeah, I'll go ahead and do number 5. So number 5, I'll do that down here below. So you're going to take the complement of each one of these because there's a faster way to do this than take 30% and then subtract it and then take 10% of that and then subtract it again. There's a faster way to do this. We can take the complements of each discount. So I can do 100% minus 30%. That's my first discount here. And that gives me 70%. And then I'm going to do it again, 100% minus 10%, it gives me 90, and the 10%, that was my second discount. So on most of these, I only have to do this twice. On number 9 and 10, remember you have to do it 3 times. There's 3 discounts here for number 10, so you're going to have to do it a third time for number 9 and 10. So once you've done this for each one of your discounts, you take your discounts, your complements, and you multiply them together. So 70% times 90%, we get 0.63, and I converted that to a decimal on that one. So that would be 63%. And now we can take that and multiply right here. So the net price rate, that's what they want here is 63% that we just calculated. And then we're going to multiply the list price by the net price rate to get our net price, 62.37. So it depends on how you look at it, whether or not that's easier. So you can do it this way where you're taking the first discount by the list price and then subtracting that discount, the new price by the second discount, and then subtracting it to get the final. Or you can just do the complements, multiply them together to get, this is kind of like an overall discount or net price rate. And then you can multiply that by just the original list price. So still a few calculations there, and you're going to have to go through and do that for 6 through 10. But it, again, kind of depends on which method you kind of like better there. But they are looking for this net price rate, so we're going to have to use this method at least for this table just to get it filled in here. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish that. I hope that helped, and I will see you in section 4.